Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the new update on OMG. As in my earlier video of OMG, I was showing you that it was trying to re-enter the same up channel that was previously broken down on a daily time frame chart. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that recently OMG has re-entered the same up channel. Previously, you can see it was moving inside this channel for several days. And here we broke it down. And by the way, you can see that it has been accumulated above this uh, quite long-term support line that was previously working as a resistance of a very huge falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this was the resistance of a very huge falling wedge pattern. Since after the month of November 2021, you can see that the price line was getting rejected by this resistance again and again. And after the breakout, the price line was getting accumulated above the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. But during this move, the price line also broke down this up channel that was formed on the daily time frame chart. And now recently, after this move, the price line has re-entered the same up channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Bella protocol, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, I shared this signal on 25th of Feb 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of OMG, and this was the up channel that I was showing you in my previous video. You can see that since after the month of September 2023, it was moving inside this channel. We broke it down here on 3rd of January 2024, but after the breakdown, the price line could not break down this downtrend line support line. That was in fact the resistance of a previous very huge falling wedge pattern that the price line broke out on this 7 days time frame chart. And after getting accumulated above this resistance of the previous falling wedge pattern, the price then geared up. And now you can see that it has re-entered the same up channel. So far from this low to this high, it has pumped almost 137%. And if this time the price then will be reached at the resistance of the channel, then it can reach somewhere here at $1.72. And during that move, it can also break out this quite long-term resistance of $1.53 as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $1.53 has been previously working as a very strong support here for several weeks. And before that, it has been working as a support here as well. And here it has been working as a resistance. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. And after that, the next major resistance will be here. That will be approximately at $2.50. And you can see that this $2.50 has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and before that, for several weeks or months, it has been working as a support here, and here it has been working as a resistance. And in case of a rejection, the price can again drop down at this long-term support of $1. That is a quite long-term support, by the way. Previously, it has been working as a very strong support here and as a very strong resistance here as well. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout that is already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern, that technical target is here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.